Hello everyone, today I will review Fem Gold Cream Bleach for a special golden glow. First, wash your face with a mild cleanser and pat it dry. Make sure there is no oil or dirt. Important, always do a patch test first. Apply a little bit behind your ear and wait for 15 minutes. Now mix the cream and the powder activator together. Apply it evenly on your face. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Do not use it on broken skin or acne. Avoid your eyes and lips. If it burns, wash it off immediately with cool water. A little tingling is normal. This bleach even out your skin tone and helps reduce dark spots temporarily. Look at this amazing result. It gives a nice golden touch and makes your skin bright. Use it once every 3 to 4 weeks for the best results. Try it and see the glow. Thanks for watching.